Go somewhere, I either want that kind of a beach, or I want to go somewhere maybe a little chilly, help get into that fall type weather.
Oh, yeah.
Well, if you happen to be thinking about a new career path, if you want something that could be rewarding, offer plenty of opportunity, how about nursing?
Fox 25, Mitch English is trying his hand at nursing this morning. He joins us now from the OSU-OKC campus. Hey, Mitch.
Hey there, you know, another aspect of nursing, of course, is paramedics, EMTs as well. And joining me now is Whitney Kemp. She is an EMS technician or instructor, rather. And you teach our next age of paramedics and EMTs, correct?
Correct. I teach here in our EMS program. I teach EMT students and paramedic students.
All right. Now, what is the difference, first off, between an EMT and a paramedic?
Well, it's the level of licensure. EMT is the entry-level licensure, and then as you go through paramedic school, it's a higher level of licensure.
And you're a paramedic?
Correct.
All right. I was talking to my cousin just yesterday. He is an EMT, and he said that he was talking about a guy had a heart attack in the back, and he was able to bring him back, and it was like an unbelievable life-changing experience for him and, of course, for the patients. And imagine you see it. That's what paramedics do, that you guys see right when it happens.
We do. We're first on scene, and so that's one of our main goals, is to provide that emergency care immediately, get the patient stabilized, and get them to the appropriate facility so they can have that continued care.
All right. Now, that's exactly what's happening right now. So our simulation that we have going on here, he just arrived here at the hospital, right?
Correct. We have our paramedic students here that are transferring care from the field to our simulated emergency room here, and we have our nursing students. And so what we're doing is an interdisciplinary simulation for our students so that they can get that real-world communication practice. So we want them to be able to communicate with each other, with other healthcare providers, such as these nursing students here.
All righty. Now, they're moving across a dummy that has a lot of wires to it and such and that sort of thing. But how long is the EMT course or the whole program?
Well, the EMT course is a 16-week course, and then the paramedic program is roughly 16 months.
Okay. And is there any prerequisites prior to joining that?
There are some prerequisites. One of the things that you need to have is your CPR certification, and then there's some other prerequisites like human anatomy and physiology and classes like that.
All righty. And you know one thing, and I want to wrap it up here, but one of the things is the psychological stuff that you have to go through because, you know, as I said, paramedics, you see it all, and you have to deal with people around you, sometimes police officers, domestic situations. Is that challenging?
It is a little bit challenging, but that's one of the things that we prepare our students for, to be able to think on their feet, to think critically, and to make the most appropriate decisions possible.
All right. Thank you so much, Whitney. We're here. Of course, we are interested. You can check out the OSU-OKC campus and their whole line of training that they have for not only nurses, but paramedics, EMTs as well. Back to y'all in the studio.
All right, Mitch, thank you. And if you happen to be interested in joining the nursing field, check out OSU-OKC's Health Science program. We've gone ahead and posted a link.